Alright guys, hey guys, it's Christian Magnus back again with the Goatman channel. Today I'm gonna play some new game. It got released a few years ago, but it's pretty cool. It's called Netflix, and so far I've gotten like to level 3, I think. So what you do is you go through all these movies and then you choose one, and if you choose the right one you might go up a level. So I have it on Norwegian because I'm not a Norwegian, I'm English. I come from America. Yeah, but let's see. This is The Hobbit. It's pretty nice. I've seen it. This is a Real Steel. It's pretty nice. I haven't seen it. This is Left Behind. This is an amazing movie. I haven't seen it yet, but yeah, I think it is amazing. Oh. I think it is an amazing movie. Okay. So here we have So here we have Lemonsla. Yeah, Lemonsla. It's a pretty nice movie. I haven't seen it, but yeah, it's pretty nice. So so my dad, which is yesterday, he said it's pretty good. Oh, look at this cute dog, man. Oh wow, he's doing pull-ups. That's so amazing. Okay. Let's go over here. This is a classic. The Roka. It's, oh, look at that mask. He got the suit and tie. Sorry. But yeah, that's about it. I'm going to level up tomorrow, I think. That's about it. Thank you for watching this Let's Play. I'll see you tomorrow, if that's okay. Please subscribe, and you can like it if you want to. Comment how good this video was, and I'll see you maybe tomorrow or maybe never.